which is clockwise to you, on the front plane. Now imagine if we took this hand from the front and we just put it back here. And we did the same pattern with your right hand, but just move your left hand behind, like that. So it's still a cap, but it's half in front, half in back. Your right hand, start up top here again. 5, 6, 7, and down, out and up, 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 down, out and up. 2 more, and last one. Good job. If you take your left hand from clockwise in front of you and then bring it back behind you. All right, so if you look at me from the back view, it'll feel, yes, it'll feel underhand. You swing up to the midnight point, push it out to the side, and then come back down. Now, I know in the past when we did things like these hip reels, I constantly tell you to have your palm back. Think of this as an exception to that rule. Have your palm forward, go up, out and down, up, out and down, up, out and down, up, out and down. And the sensation for me, you may not feel this in your body yet, but I'm still palm forward up here. As I'm coming out to the side, I sort of flick it to get it to pop to that side point, and then wait for it to come over the top of the turn before I come down to the bottom, before I do the reversal back up to the top. So up and flick and down, up, pump it out and down, up, pump it out and down, up, pump it out and down, up, pump and down, up and pump and down. And you don't have to do it like starkly like that, but I was accentuating it so you can see what I'm doing to get it to pop out like that. You went up, swing to the front, and then behind. I'm keeping it behind the whole time. Okay, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do your right hand starting up top here in clockwise to you, counterclockwise to me, and then we'll come down and out and up, down, 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 8, out and up. 3 more, and 2 more, and last one. Start with your right arm on top and your left arm behind your back. They would both switch positions in the in-spin. Then they would both go out to the side, and then they would return to the starting position, and your left arm palm would be forward. So you would swing and out and switch. Swing, out and switch. Okay, so swing around. Pump them both out, and then switch to where you started with your right on top, left on bottom. Swing in the in-spin, pump them both out to the side, and then your right up, left down. Swing, pump them both to the side, and your right up, left down. Swing, get it all the way down, okay? And then pump them both to the side, and then right up, left down. And here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, out and down, up, out and down, up, out and down, up, out and down, up, out and down. 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, last one. Your left hand is behind your back. Your right hand is in front of your body. Swing them both. Keep them on their own side of their body. So swing them around in the in-spin. Both of them pump out to the side, and then stack them where you started. Swing them around. Both of them pump out, and stack them where you started. Swing them around. They both go to the side, and then back to where you started, right up, left down. swing them around. So left up, right down. Both go to the side. And then back to where you started. You start from here. Get comfortable with your swing, sides, switch, swing, sides, switch, swing, sides, switch. Then try doing try doing the spin first, the in-spin first, and then the anti-spin in one motion without stopping in the middle. In-spin, anti-spin, in-spin, anti-spin, in-spin, anti-spin, in-spin, anti-spin. Then try doing one full pattern. 5, 6, 7, 8, shook, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, shook, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, and shook, shook, shook. 5, 6, 7, 8, swing, anti-spin. 5, 6, 7, 8, swing, anti-spin. And then you can try in twos. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 1. And then eventually, with enough practice, you'll be able to continue and do them all consecutively like this. With your spiral ending.